Hey there guys, welcome to Old Beater Cars Garage. Well, I did some work on the car, the 76 Olds project I'm working on. I put on polyurethane bushings, front and rear, and yeah, they were not fun putting in, I tell you that. They were a real hassle. Something I want to say is when you're doing these polyurethane bushings on these cars, you have to machine them down a bit in order for them to fit inside the leaf spring and on top, because I think they're made in China or something or whatever, and the bushings are a little bit bigger than the diameter that's in there, so you have to take them on the bench grinder and you gotta grind them down a bit so they fit. Just to maybe a couple thousandths of an inch. Gotta grind them, shave them down a little bit, sand them down a little bit, and they fit right in there. And something else you have to do is you have to take a drill and drill out the inside a little bit so the bolt goes in there, no problem. Because I did this the first time, I tried to put them in there, they wouldn't fit, greased them and everything wouldn't fit. So I put the bushings in, and then the bolts wouldn't go in very good. I greased them up, tried putting them in, and nope, they didn't go. So I had to take everything apart again and just run the like a bigger size drill, a little bit bigger than the hole, and machine them out a little bit. And the bolts went in there no problem, and they're nice and snug in there, and everything slides in real good. So it's just a little tip: when you're doing polyester bushings on your rear leaf springs, you have to machine them a little bit to for everything to fit and work properly. If you don't, you're going to be in for trouble. So anyways, I haven't done polyester bushings on leaf springs in a long time. Probably about 20 years since I've done leaf spring bushings. Polyester leaf spring bushings anyway. Took the tank out because I don't like doing stuff next to the wood stove for the tank in the car. I'm not into blowing myself up, so anyways, you see that there. Get my light so you guys can see. Both sides are done. Sorry. Yeah. So anyways, I'm not going to go too crazy on the car underneath. It's actually really well undercoated, and I'm not going to go overly crazy on it. Just probably clean them up a little bit on the bottom side of the pressure washer at a later date, and just re-undercoat it, and it's good enough. So anyways, yeah, putting your shocks on, and then do that. Over the years, I have scraped every damn piece undercoating off bottoms of cars and painted it. But what the hell for? I want something I'm going to drive and enjoy, not to be a show car. I'm not spending $100,000 either. So, anyways, I thought I'd just post it up. Next is the back. So, anyways, and here for a short while, I got my little heater going. So I thought I would just post it up. Alright guys. So next time do another video and I'll show you how the spot weld cutter works. Alright, thanks for watching and bye for now.